Good evening and buonasera to everyone. My name is Philip Ehige. I'm a student from Ambrish Quick Patente. I'm happy today because I just got my Italian driver's license. Actually, I met Ambrish when I was thinking of getting this patente. I met him on YouTube and I just watched one of his videos and I knew he was the one he was the one who is going to lead me to get my Italian driver's license. Do you speak English? Are you in Nigeria? Are you a Gambia? Are you from America? Are you from the US? And you speak English and you're based here in Italy and you want to get your Italian driver's license? Believe you me, Ambrish Quick Patente is the best. When I started, when I just joined him, I don't know anything. I don't know anything about the brackets of Italian patente. But my first week off with him, there was an improvement. So I'm telling you, trust yourself and trust Mr. Ambrish that if you go with Mr. Ambrish and you have the zeal and you want to get the patente, you will definitely get it. He is the best here in Italy. So wish you all the best. And those who are hoping, those who are still students of Ambrish, and I want to assure you that you're definitely going to get your patente. Thank you, Mr. Ambrish. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.